You might not think about it, but a healthy crawl space is crucial for a healthy home. That's where crawl space encapsulation comes in. Today, we're talking about how encapsulation benefits not only your crawl space, but your entire home. The crawl space is a key part of the foundation of your home. If it's damp and vulnerable, it can lead to serious problems for your entire house. Professional encapsulation systems act like a protective barrier, keeping moisture, pests, and harmful air out. All right, check this out. You see that moisture? Yeah. That's a recipe for mold, mildew, and wood rot. Now, water can cause cracks, sagging floors, and even total floor collapse. So think of encapsulation like this. A vapor barrier keeps the moisture under the crawl seal. Then, the drainage system and sump pump under the barrier captures the water and redirects it 10 to 15 feet away from your home, keeping it safe and sound. And by controlling humidity levels with a dehumidifier, the structure of your home's floors is protected from mold, mildew, and wood rot. You remember that one house that you went to and it had that really musty smell? That's often due to moisture problems in the crawl space. Encapsulation eliminates that by creating a clean, dry space that prevents mold and improves air quality. Plus, a dry insulated crawl space can even save you money on your energy bills. It acts as an additional layer of insulation, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summers. Now, you might be tempted to try this yourself or try to tackle encapsulation by yourself, but trust me, it's a job left to the pros. Even using the wrong type of insulation can lead to ineffective moisture control and even pose health risks. Professionals have the experience, knowledge, and specialized tools to ensure proper, long-lasting installation. It's an investment in your home's health, safety, and value. So don't let a wet crawl space compromise the health and safety of your entire home. Go with Groundworks for a quality, long-lasting crawl space encapsulation. And give us a call today for a free inspection.